What is up? We are going paddleboarding. We picked up some used paddleboards on Facebook Marketplace. We've used them twice, and now I got the bug. We're leaving Cassie's car here in Dallas. That's not where we're actually going. There's a little boat ramp down here to the Trinity River. So we're gonna do a little Dallas scenic paddleboard. Stay tuned. All right, we are under a big bridge in Dallas. We're gonna go and take a look at that over there. Cassie's board is much bigger than mine. A lot heavier too. So we started by the Margaret Hunt Bridge, and we're gonna be working our way down the Trinity River to our landing spot. Damn, that looks pretty far. That's so cool. All right, GoPro keeps turning off. It keeps getting hot, which, you know, there ain't no stopping that in Texas. But I'm gonna try and film what we can.
Yeah, falling into love hurts just as much as falling out of it. But I'll scrape my knees and scar my shins. I hope you never doubted that I'm down for you. Wanna hit the town, make it loud, be a clown for you. Or maybe we could be a Romeo and Juliet, except without the age difference, and we can forget the death. Cause this is love at first sight, there's no doubt in my mind. And darling, forget about the time, cause you're mine. And I'll spend every second chilling with you. Like this, that vintage Nickelodeon innocence love. Innocence the type of if we fight, let's chill and make up. You're one in a million pay stubs, but to me, you're like a lottery. There's a lot of fish in the sea, but you're a catch that's so startling. Heartland, baby, I know that there's a lot to do, it's awful too. And in your past, there's a lot to chew. I'll buckle up, like your burden's a weight to carry, but it lessens at a steady rate. And I'll be by your side, like your phone pocketed on second dates. Honestly, I just want some acknowledgement for confidence and compliments, but maybe I'm not hitting the dot, but I'm still taking my shot. I'ma practice and go again, and you can show me around, and you can even will your friends. Like, I know that they'll be talking with their dissonant whispers, but shiver me timbers if they can rock the relationship. Do you know who you playing with? I'm feeling like Midas, but you was gold to begin with. I didn't help in the slightest day.
My day needed.
Of course he's gonna hang around for more. It's sort of like a drug. It's addicting.
Well, the GoPro batteries died, and we're still out here. It's like 6:30, probably almost 7 o'clock probably. We left at 2. Oh, we're getting it though. Trinity River. It looks a lot smaller on the map, I'll tell you that. But that bridge right there, that's where we're going, so be there soon. Woo, land ho. We made it to our landing spot 5 hours later. Oh my gosh, Cassie was right. She said it looks really far, and I was like, we could probably do it in like an hour or 2. But we'll look on the map and calculate how far it was, because we're pretty tired right now. Goodness.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 284A, then keep left at the 4th.
We made it. Oh. Thanks for watching though. We had fun.